Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a sturdy rotating platform and selecting the correct motor. The reason is torque matters for lightweight and wind. Mount the DC-12V motor to the base using vibration-damping rubber. This reduces wobble and noise. Once done, align a shaft coupling to the motor and central mast, making sure the mast is perfectly vertical so the beam tracks smoothly. Prepare wiring. Include an inline fuse and a simple on/off switch for safety and easy testing. You now build the light assembly and slow the rotation for a classic sweep. Gears smooth motor jitter and allow steady RPM. Fit the Fresnel lens or mirrored reflector into the lantern ring and center the light source so the beam is symmetric. Misalignment causes flicker. Once aligned, install the gear train between motor and turntable, lubricate lightly, and test without the housing. Make sure heat from the lamp is ventilated, and wire the lamp through the same switch circuit for coordinated operation. You finish by sealing and mounting the lantern, then run a full functional test to confirm rotation and beam quality. This reveals thermal and mechanical issues before deployment. Inspect bearings and shaft alignment after the first hour, and verify motor temperature remains stable. Overheating indicates overload or poor ventilation. If things go wrong, address the simplest causes first. Tighten couplings for wobble, clean contacts for flicker, and replace worn bearings. Finally, document settings and label power switches for safe maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.